Are you tired of just watching the market move? Do you dream of taking control and building a strong portfolio for yourself? You have probably heard about options trading, but maybe it seems too complex, too risky, or maybe you just don't know where to start. Let's be honest here. The big investment banks and fund houses have advanced algorithms and dashboards to make their investment decisions, and we retail normal investors are left behind. Well, what if I told you there's a platform that can simplify options trading, giving you the tools and insights you need to potentially succeed? Don't worry, stick with me and I'll reveal how 1LYOptions is changing the options game in this segment. Let's face it, most traders tend to lose out because they rely mostly on their gut feeling and basic analysis. But what if you could replace the guesswork with data-driven strategies? Yes, 1LYOptions empowers you to do just that. Our revolutionary platform gives you the access to powerful tools designed to help you analyze the market, create winning strategies, and execute trades with precision. No more gambling, just strategic informed decisions. 1LYOptions is not just another trading platform. It's your all-in-one solution for conquering the options market. We have combined the cutting-edge technology with intuitive design to create a platform that's powerful enough for seasoned pros, yet easy enough for beginners to learn. Now, whether you are looking to identify the stock direction, build custom strategies, analyze the positions, or trade open interest, 1LYOptions has got you covered. So our game-changing strategy creation feature is where the magic happens. So first, our tool helps you pinpoint the short-term direction of a stock. Then you can choose from a library of pre-built strategies for bullish, bearish, or sideways movement. But the real power comes from the customization. Modify existing strategies or create your own from scratch. 1LYOptions even calculates break-even points and the probability of profit, so you know exactly what you are getting into. Compare multiple strategies side by side and choose your optimum approach. Then comes position analytics tool. So managing your positions is crucial for success, right? So our position analytics tool gives you a 360-degree view of your trades. Analyze positions by underlying stock, automatically classify the hedging strategies, and even customize your analysis to gain deep insights into potential profit, loss, and premium decay. Visualize your potential outcomes with interactive payoff charts, giving you the clarity you need to stay in control. With all the heavy trading, the option chain can be very overwhelming, but not with 1LYOptions. So our option chain tool provides the real-time market data, liquidity indicators, and access to all the Greeks. Our graphical interface makes it easy to spot the trading opportunities and execute trades directly from the platform. So no more fumbling with complex data. 1LYOptions put everything you need at your fingertips. Now take your analysis to the next level with our multi-strike chart and open interest analysis tool. So the multi-strike chart helps you analyze the price movements, their impacts on Greeks, and identify the trading patterns. So our open interest analysis tool reveals the crucial support and resistance levels, giving you a very powerful edge in predicting how the market moves. Now, if you're looking for higher return strategies, then our Straddle Premium tool helps you identify stock with high premiums over price, calculate return on capital, and assess the probability of the profit. Now, this powerful tool is essential for traders who are looking to maximize their returns with straddle strategies. Don't just take our word for it. Join the growing community of traders who are using 1LYOptions to achieve their financial goals. Visit our website today to experience the power of 1LYOptions for yourself. Click the link in the description below and unlock your trading potential. So what are you waiting for? If you're ready to elevate your trading game and join the revolution, install the app and sign up for 1LYOptions today. Dive into the world where every strategy is meticulously crafted, every position is deeply analyzed, and every decision is powered by a cutting-edge technology. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your trading community, and subscribe for more tips and strategies. Until next time, happy trading and stay ahead of the curve.
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.